Hello! In this video, we will see how to create a color palette when you are missing inspiration. Right now.
Today I don't have that much inspiration. I have the basic palette to start with and I don't feel that inspired. The option I have is to create the palette directly from an image. An image, any image I can get from my computer. So this one I will choose it and I will choose here to start with 0 colors to add. I will hit next, keep the current palette no, and I have a brand new color picker. Yes, indeed, you just turn your image into a color picker. I can choose any color I want and use the color to add it one after the other, choose whatever color I want. I can choose after to work on this palette. The image will disappear, it won't be retained, but the color will still remain. I can choose to check, of course, the color blindness, do the different tests, and I can rename my palette to some cool palette name. This will also appear in the color list, of course. This is how to rename a palette as well. I can restart the same exercise, and what is even more interesting here is that I can also choose to have automatically generated colors. So let's choose to have 7 colors. I want to keep the current palette? No, still. Let's see how it gets out. Here you will see the colors that are the most populated colors in my image. So of course, the color that is happening the most often is the background. So I want the blue to be added as well. I want the pink, which is quite poor in the color, to be added as well, because this is the vibrant color, this is the flashy color. And after, I can just check to remove the one I don't want anymore. The big advantage is that this way, the colors are automatically extracted from your picture. You can also reorder the colors as you want, so you can directly do your check of accessibility and use it directly in your new design.
That's it for this video. You can access all these functionalities by buying a subscription of 3 or 6 months to the full version of Colors Tester. Thank you for watching and have a colorful day.